Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today I'm going to share how to play, if you wish, how to embellish, how to upcycle some boring brown envelopes and turn into something a bit more special. Last week we made together these labels here, and I will put the link at the end of the video in case you guys have missed it. And you've asked in few of the comments to share what projects can be made using this lovely ephemera that we made together. So I thought, right, I needed to do some to make some envelopes because I completely ran out. So I thought, right, let's embellish some envelopes. I have used the July VIP memberships papers, or as you know, every Wednesday the video I shared on a Wednesday is purely to showcase the VIP lounge, to give my members some ideas of what to do with the papers, so, and also to showcase them to you guys in case you wish to join. Right, before we crack on with the tutorial, let me show you the papers first. My VIP lounge papers for the month of July. If it's the first time that you're watching, hello and welcome. My VIP lounge is basically a monthly membership, and I offer on my website. So 3 papers, you can get up to 3 packs. So the first pack is called Tropical Vibes, and I'll let you guess why. I don't know about you guys, wherever you're watching it in the world, but here in UK, we not had summer this year. I think summer is skipped. We had just a few random days of warmth and sunshine, but not much. So I'm a bit depressed. So I decided to create something floral tropical, just to give some positive and floral and warmth vibes. So this kit has got 5 pages. This kit in my head is the best for card making, because I can see, in fact we'll probably do some card making together. I can see this page here being fabulous as a card background. Got another page, it's got Tropical Vibes, of course. You got this page here, which I have used to create the letter C, which I'll show you in a minute. Page number 4, Be More Rainbow. I love this page. And this is page number 5, which is, again, as you can see, the color palette is the same. There are, of course, multicolor, but mostly is black, green, different shades of green. Okay, so this is kit number 1, Tropical Vibes. Kit number 2 is called Ephemera from the Past. This is for the vintage lovers on part of the membership. So all my VIP members, they love vintage. I tend to create 1 pack for them every month, because I know vintage is not for everybody, but you know, these 3 kits, as you can see, they're very, very different. So anyway, so kit number 2 is called Ephemera from the Past. So you get full background, which is basically a collage or different ephemera. You get a page with of course ephemera, so you got a couple of postcards when I just play with some flowers, couple of plain elements that you guys can design and do what you want with it, and another postcard again. This is probably my favorite page, is page number 3, when you got the embellishment. So you get 6 butterflies shapes that you can either layer up, and then you've got 2 ovals and 2 rectangulars with a little ephemera there. So you can use this to, again, do embellishments or anything that you guys want. Page number 4, again, some more ephemera. And page number 5, which we do a project together soon, is just a page with tags. Okay, so I just put together 7 tags. 5 of those are quite, I would say small, because like a medium size, and 2 of those are large. Okay, so just give it a bit of variety. Page if I can speak, kit number 3 is called Circus Fun. Ta-da! So this is a requested kit from the lovely Susie. Susie is part of my VIP membership. So she's asked for a kit that is all about circus. So there you go. I made it for you, Susie. Big hugs and thank you, Susie. So it's quite a big kit. It's got loads of pages. So you've got one page with tickets and some ephemera, one page with a tent. Page number 3, I just played with different colors. So you've got the boat player and the clown. You've got another one, landscape. Love them. This is my favorite page of the kit, which we'll do a video together. So you create some embellishments. So they are doilies in all different colors. All the colors matches, and I'll show you in just a minute. Then you get another page. Yeah, this I've been very generous with my VP members this month because all the kits are quite big. It's normally a 4 pages kit, but this, especially this one, is very large. I just put a couple of background with the artist and the clown, and then you've got another page with the tickets, and then another page with the postcards. Okay, so again, you can do anything that you want with this. So I love it, absolutely love it. I love the little elephant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's quite a large kit, so it's 8 pages. To be fair, you pay £5 up to £5 a month. I would normally charge that for a larger kit. So you get 3 kits, as we say. Oh yeah, color combination. Sorry, I was just I was rambling. So as you can see, the color palette is multicolored, but it's mainly this yellow, green, and blue. See, when I designed my VIP paper packs, I want everything to blend, everything to be mixed and match, so you guys can use it all together for larger projects. Okay, so anyway, so paper pack number 1, circus fun. Number 2, ephemera from the past. Number 3, tropical vibes. And then every month, we started 2 months ago with the letter A. So we made together a letter A gift box, or you can either use it as a standalone letter. Last month was the letter B, and that was the project. And this month it's the letter C, and I have used the tropical vibes to create the letter C. So what you get the paper. So of course I suggest you guys print this on cardstock, as I did. See, the letter is quite sturdy. It's cardstock. I think it's 160 GSM. So you got all your elements that you just simply cut, and there is a video tutorial that I will send a link to you guys that I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, so it's part of the membership. You get a video that show you step by step how to put this together. So you get the front and the back, and then as an additional extra gift, as I said, this month I've been extremely generous. I'm joking. I'm giving you this is actually like that. I'm giving you a pillow box. When it's doing up, it looks like this. Okay, so it's very thick, and it's just very easy to make. You simply cut that. This is the 2 tabs, and that's the side. And I think it's super cute. Look, it's a lot of flowers, and it's fun. And there's the little gift boxes. If you know, you put chocolate or cash or little treat or crafty treat or ephemera, anything that you want to gift to somebody. And I think it's super cute. Okay, and then of course with the letter C you get the instruction on how to assemble it. So basically these tabs here go there, this tab is on the side, these 3 are this one, and those 2 ones wrap around inside. And of course you get the letter C back, the reverse of it. So you get the front letter C and the back letter C, which is a mirrored image. But again, everything is explained in the video. Okay guys, so I got the tropical vibes paper, and then I go here from my stash. There are some labels I made a while ago when we did the master board. If I remember the video, I will link it. Then I've got here one of the embellishment that we made a while ago, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it. And last week we've made these these ephemera labels, so I'm definitely going to play with this today. I want them to be quite grungy. So in my head I got a couple of these brown envelopes, but they were too big to decorate. So I was thinking we create some pockets to put on the journal, but we decorate the front. So what I was thinking, and I just literally, I have an idea in my head, but I'm processing it, talking it loud to you guys. So if we fold an envelope in half, I still want the envelope functional. So where is my scissors? There. No, there. Oh God, there they are. So I want the envelope to still remain an envelope, so I'm gonna cut that. Perfect. I don't need the flap, so I'm just gonna cut off the flap. Now this is they're just literally like standard brown envelope. Yes, I want the pocket, and we're gonna do the same on the other side. So I will decorate them as they are pretending they're like floating envelope. So I'm going to, so you can have a pocket here and a pocket here. Okay, so simply chop the lid. Not done a good job there, but never mind. And then what I thought we would do, we're going to create another pocket there. So I'm going to close the top and side of the envelope. I'm just using some double side tape for, yeah, just simply, oopsie, for speedness. So as I said, I have an idea. I've never done this before. I'm just processing it with you. It's like a trial and error. I know I have a look I want to achieve in my head. I just got to make sure it's doable. Okay, so fold that back. Okay, let me get rid of this. So just gonna fold it there and there. So we have one pocket here and a large pocket there. So these are probably better if you use them as floating pockets in your journal, so you get literally like 1, 2, 3 pockets there. Okay, so what am I going to do, guys? I'm going to measure it, and I thought we will simply gonna put this. I do like, where is it? One of them's got a text. Have I dreamt about it? There it is, tropical vibes. So, but I think I'm just gonna keep the word vibes. So just gonna measure it. In fact, let's measure it together, and I'm gonna get my trimmer out. So that's 4, kind of 4.5. No, 4 1/4 by 5.5. Get my trimmer out. I'll do one side with you and then do the rest off camera. So what did I say? 4 1/4 by 5.5. Let me just get rid of this. When I print my digital, the printer's got this annoying automatic setting of printing a border. So what did I say? 4 1/4 by 5.5. So let me get rid of the white border. By 5.5. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, and that will give a really nice frame. So I like to see the brown, because there's a bit of brown there, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put a piece inside. No, I don't think I'd bother. No, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then what I thought we would do is decorate I'm using. In fact, if we, right, let me just, I think guys, what time we on? I need to hurry up. I don't want to make videos unnecessarily long. So that's why I do a lot of things off camera that you guys don't really need to see, like glowing things. But what I thought we're going to use, and this is like a very simple video to decorate envelopes. I could do some paper clips actually. We're gonna do some paper clips soon because I run out of paper clips to put this in a journal. So let's put it this way up. Okay. So the little label that we're gonna use, we're gonna make like a functional pocket. So just gonna put double side tape there, there and there. So just on these three sides, so we get another additional pocket, and that is it. Okay, that's three. So if we put it roughly in the middle, and then you'll have a pocket there. So I'm going to do the same on the other side, and I'm going to do the other envelope, and I'll be right back. And that's it, all done. How to turn two boring envelopes into something a bit more fabulous. So this ephemera here has a function of being another pocket. The rest, there is no functionality, it's just simply decoration. I love how it all works together. So that's one, and this is the second one, and that's the back. I love the blue labels, work really well with the paper there. So guys, if you wish to join my membership, my VIP membership, you get 3 digital kit paper of the month. Every month you get a gift box, and this month is this one, which is the same as the paper we used today. So we've done A, B, C, and next month is going to be a D, which I have already designed, and I can't tell you what it's going to be, but yeah, I'm excited to show you. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you're telling YouTube how fabulous I am. Thank you so much for your thumbs up, guys. Guys, I will see you on Friday for a very special Friday freebie, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.